If you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then this may be the best time of the year, because right now special deals are going on and I'm here with the exclusive offer from Hostinger. If you want to buy, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and then follow this video to claim a special up to 95% discount from Hostinger. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this. So the first thing what attracts me to buy my hosting from Hostinger is their 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing exclusive feature by Hostinger. And scroll below and let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger. So 71,000 reviews on Trustpilot is a big number, and let's see what people are saying. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Let's see this review in detail. Buy GoDaddy, hello Hostinger. So you can see buy GoDaddy, hello Hostinger. So see how amazing it is. I'm not a tech person at all. 5 star reviews, 4 star, 4 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So almost everyone have this amazing reviews at Hostinger. And this is what my own experience of using Hostinger from the last 5 years is that their hosting is very good. I never had to feel any issue. So now before you buy, you can see around over here that Hostinger is also being featured on almost all of the famous websites. And if you're an AI person, Hostinger has Hostinger Horizon, which is just an AI tool to create your website or app through Hostingers. And if you want to use WordPress like me, Hostinger has a WordPress website facility as well. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So the migrate to Hostinger service is a free website migration service, completely free of cost. And if you look around over here, you know, where the competitors offer you $2,600 to charge for website migration, Hostinger offers you all of this just free of cost. So make sure before you buy to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code I'm going to tell you. The coupon code is mentioned in the description of this video to get you 95% discount on Hostinger. So the 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and this is only valid for the people who click on the link in the description. Now directly move to the plans. You can claim the 95% discount on any of the plan, but before you buy, I would request you to do a thorough research of all the plans. Hostinger offers you 3 plans: Premium, Unlimited, Cloud Startup. The unlimited plan is also known as the business plan. I'm using it from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good. The unlimited plan has so many features: unlimited websites, free domain for the first year, 50 GB NVMe storage, daily backups, so many data over here. But do your research on what features, functions you may need before opting for any plan. And I'm going to make it 95% discount for you. So in order to buy, click on the link in the description, land over here and simply select the choose plan over here. It's 80% over here, but I'm going to make 95% for you guys. So once you select the choose plan to buy your hosting, now you're landed over here. Now select your billing period: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Guys, these are special limited time prices. They won't appear again. I want you guys to take the advantage of it. So opt for 48 months, you can save the max amount of money, but you can opt for 24 or 12 months as well to get this amazing discount deal. After this, claim your free domain over here by writing over here. Okay, you can also claim the free domain later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as each panel. So I'm going to make the free domain is only valid for the first year. So I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain over here. So you can see your order summary over here. It's a 48 months at 80%, adding daily backup free of cost, free domain, free mailboxes. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link to buy your hosting from Hostinger. So it's loaded. 80% plus 10% is 90%. Plus add daily backup, free domain for the first year, free mailboxes for the first year. Do your math and it's more than 95% saving for you. 80% plus 10% is simply 90%, plus 5% is for free domain, daily backups, free email boxes. So just simply select the continue over here. Now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to create a new account at Hostinger or need to synchronize with the Google account to get on the last part before you buy. But before you buy, see, everything is fine. Your billing address is fine over here. Everything is fine. Order summary is fine. And you now selecting on billing periods. Hostinger offer you variety billing periods: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate for crypto payments. Let's say I'm using the credit card. Write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment. Once I do it, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description. Use either of the coupon code to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. The experience should be very good, and if you buy, make sure again to just follow this tutorial. These are limited time, and I want you guys to take the advantage of these exclusive deals to get up to 95% discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.